package. They sent me 3 of the brand new Series 4 Nana Surprise. The packaging looks super adorable, just like this bunny. And this one has a cat sticker. Wonder which one we're gonna get. So let's open it up. Okay, let's get out the balloon from the package. Ooh, this time it's a purple balloon. Put it onto the side and get our straw out. Where's our straw? It's over here. So now let's put the straw in. Okay. There we go. Put in a little bit more. There's our balloon. Ready? We're gonna open it up from right here. You can see all the glitter. Ah! Whoa, that was so cool. It actually. So now let's open it up. Let's see what doll we got. Whoa! We have some flying bags in here in the checklist. So first, let's look at our bag. It's a rainbow kitty. It's super soft and cute. It's this pastel rainbow, and I love rainbows. So before we open our doll, let's open a flying bag. I wonder how she looks like. He or she? Ooh. Oh my goodness, these shoes are so cute and they're my favorite color, blue. Let's see what else we have. We have this bag right here. Let's open up and see what we got here. Looks like the clothes. So we have this adorable little skirt and this pink and white top. Reminds me of a school uniform. Time to open our doll. Let's see, who did we get? Who did we get? Okay, let's open it up. Who did we get? And tape right here. Oh, here's a doll. She looks super cute. So let's just get her hair out. Whoa. She looks super cute. Hi everyone, thank you for taking me out that box. So now let's check the checklist to see who we got. Ooh, there's a Nana Surprise boy. We have this tiger, this cute bunny, a panda, her dress is super adorable, another bunny. Here's the one we got. It's a little cat. Her name is Paula Perfect. That's a perfect name for her. And remember, let's say you want this adorable bunny, you need to look for this sign. Or the boy Nana Surprise, you need this sign. So there's so much to collect, and make sure to check the signs if you want that doll. So now let's dress her up. Here she is all dressed up. Isn't she super cute? On to the next one, the bamboo sign. So let's open it up. So now let's blow it up. So now let's do this and kaboosh! That was so cool. So now let's open this bag up. Whoa! Look how cute this is. This is a panda. And it's super soft. We have some flying bags in here, so let's take them out. Let's first open this one. Whoa, look at these shoes. They're super cute. Here's a bow. They're super adorable. Let's open the other flying bag. Okay, let's see what we got. This is the outfit. Let's see what design and what it is. This one has cute flowers on it. It's super adorable. So now let's open our doll. You can see how she looks like. Right here I have some tape, so let's cut the tape. I can see her leg. Whoa, she looks super cute. She even has a little bracelet. Look at her adorable bathing suit. It has tons of flowers on it. So now let's dress her up. Here she is all dressed up. Isn't she super cute? Let's see what her name is. Her name is Julie Joyful. She looks super cute. On to the next one. This one has a bull sign, so I wonder which one we're gonna get. Let's open it up. So let's take out the straw. Okay, so let's get our balloon. And put in the straw. Oh no, I blew it too much. It squirted the toys. Blooper. That was so funny. Oh no. Let's see who we got. So let's see, which one's this one gonna be? Ooh, this is his outfit. So here's the top, and the character got some shorts. Time to open this one. I think these are the shoes. Yeah, they're the shoes. Open them out. Right here says Bull on it. It has some red shoes. Time to open our dog. And the bag is very cute and it looks just like a bull with the horns. See what we got. Put the open here. Make sure you get off the tape. Got the Nana surprise! And remember, there's only one boy in each Nana surprise, so I'm super excited we got the boy! Right here we have a tattoo that says King. Time to dress him up! Here he is, all dressed up. His hat looks just like a bull, and he has blonde hair. His name is Tommy Toro. Isn't that a cute name? Hope you enjoyed my video. Bye everyone!